Dear friends, this week in the United Kingdom there has been a heated discussion on the attitude of the British Army in burying the dead bodies of the soldiers and officers. It is causing a series of debate in the United Kingdom by showing officers rank and army man rank, showing a discrimination in the cemeteries, that is in the burial ground. But the founder of the War Graves Commission has stoutly denied that there shall be no discrimination in the cemeteries in the United Kingdom for the officers and army men. All the persons ought to be treated alike in the burial ground in the United Kingdom. The point herein is that even the War Graves Commission has pointed out after the outbreak of the First World War in 1918, it has clearly made these cardinal principles. Those who have lost their lives are members of one family without showing any discrimination based on race, color, or religion, whatever may be the ranks and status. All the persons ought to be treated alike and under the common brotherhood, that is the comradeship for the cause they have lost their lives without showing any discrimination, whatever it may be. In this regard, in India, the Madras Division Bench, the Justices Mani Kumar and Subramaniam has given a beautiful judgment and admitted a suo motu public interest litigation on the strength of the discrimination showed in the burial of a Dalit in Vellore district. This is causing our concern, and the point is herein is that the justices have made two vital questions. One is, what is the reason for maintaining different burial grounds proposing the same religion? That is the first question. The second question is, when entry to temples had been possible without any caste discriminations, why couldn't it be possible in making a common burial ground or cremation ground be established in Tamil Nadu? That was the question posed by the honorable justices. The Vellore district collector has given 50 cents of land, government land, for the cremation and burial ground exclusively for the Dalits. But the justices of the Madras High Court have refused this on the ground that even in the year 2008, Justice K. Chandru has given a beautiful judgment in allotting separate lands for separate caste people in Tataneri cremation ground, that is in Madurai Municipal Corporation, and he has stoutly denied showing discrimination even in the burial grounds. And another point is that even in the year 2015, the same division bench by Justice Mani Kumar has heard a beautiful this case, because the showing of discrimination existing not only among Hindus but also in Christian community following the same religions, but because of their affinity to Pentecost, Protestants, Catholics and other religious sects in the same religion. This sort of attitude he had shown in 2008, 15 cases while he heard in a division bench. The point herein is that even after this 2008 judgments of Justice K. Chandru and 2015 cases of the same justice of Mani Kumar And 2019 also the same sorts of discriminations in not allocating the respect to the dead bodies of the Dalit community have been continuing in India, that too in Tamil Nadu, where the progressive movements and Renaissance and Reformist movements have made a progressive development in Tamil Nadu, but the Dalit people are not permitted to have the dead bodies buried or cremated in common burial ground. The point here is that Justice Manikumar has rightly asked the religious heads so as to address the issues to apply the concept of equality, brotherhood among all the persons who have been facing this discrimination. At least after the death they should be respected with all dignities. Our question is that the United Kingdom has addressed the issues even in 1918, and it is saying that no discrimination on the basis of a caste, color or rank is being followed in the cremation or cemeteries in the United Kingdom. Why not the same has been following in India, that is a land which is making of all the use and cries of this Buddha, Gautama Buddha and other persons have born in this country facing these discriminations and fought for their wiping out these discriminations. Even after the Madras High Court judgments, we are not in a position to move forward in this regard. Who will build the gate? The question is that all the religious heads, political parties and those who are interested in eradicating caste system in India should come forward to make at least the burial grounds or cremation grounds for all the peoples without any discriminations based on caste, religion, etc. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.